Nothing you can say can tear me away from my guy, from my guy. Nothing you could do, 'cause I'm stuck like glue to my guy, to my guy. I'm sticking to my guy like a stamp to a letter, like birds of a feather. Oh, we stick together. Then telling you from the start, you can't tear us apart from my guy. Guys, y'all know Cassie's a wannabe singer. Y'all know it. Y'all know it. But hey, tell your guy that we're stuck like glue and nobody can tear us apart. Nobody. Yes, guys, I'm getting ready to read the book, Mary Wells, and this was one of her songs, so I thought I'd pay tribute to my guy, to my guy. Oh, like birds of a feather, we stick together. Hey! All right, guys, talk to you later. Ciao.